That's 10.
Wait, okay.
I'm Blaine Eccles, Dean of Students, and we're here at Vandal Move-In. We're excited for today. It's going to be awesome. Go Vandals.
What are some of the most common questions people ask you when they're coming in on move-in day?
How do I get one of those cards? Where do I go eat? And when do I get to meet the rest of the students on my floor? And so we've got floor meetings tonight. The students are going to get to know one another about 7 o'clock, I think, and it's going to be a great day. Help with that one lamp you're carrying? Are you going to make it? Hi, I'm Blaine. I'm the Dean of Students. Can I help you move in? Is that all right?
Sure, if you
All right.
want to.
That's what we do here, absolutely. What's your name?
KJ.
There we go.
Wait, you're saying that's the Jimmy John's menu item right there?
Yeah, it's the drive-through menu.
That's
Okay.
incredible.
Yeah, I know. We're getting there.
Can I get a little moment with you?
Yeah.
Hi.
Go Vandals. Get on in here, KJ. All right. Moment of truth. Welcome home, brother. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
This is how you decorate a room. It's so awesome. Jimmy John's, you can sponsor move-in day. Hey, I'm just saying. It's an option. KJ, have a good one, brother. Welcome. Good morning. Have you moved in already?
Not yet.
No, I'm Blaine, Dean of Students, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
And you are?
Caleb.
Caleb, nice to meet you. Justin, nice to meet you. Jamie, and where are y'all from?
St. Helens, Oregon.
Oh, St. Helens. I love St. Helens. It's beautiful. Let's head on over and get you checked in then. Caleb, you're first?
Yes.
Oh, he is. Oh, this is the big one then. I gotcha. It's always the moms that are emotional during the day, but as you're driving away from campus, that's when it hits the dads. I'll take that.
I was preparing for Tracy so that I was ready for it. So this is fantastic.
We haven't had a bad experience coming here yet.
That's awesome.
I want to pick up.
There we go. All right, well, Caleb, welcome. Appreciate you letting us help you move in. I didn't do a thing really here. It's a great day to be a Vandal. What a beautiful day for move-in day too. Now we got to go find some new students. Oh my goodness. Ugh. You have an espresso machine? Really? An espresso machine?
We didn't want you to see that. We didn't want you to see that.
Gotta have my espresso. Is she your youngest? Like,
Oh, we have 7 altogether.
oh my god, so you've got a house full still.
We do.
Okay, well, you're not gonna miss her that much then, right?
I will.
Yeah.
I already do.
We're on the wrong floor.
That's okay.
So Emma, in her excitement, went to the wrong floor, but that's okay. She made a couple friends, I think, already, so that's a good thing. Clearly, you didn't have an espresso this morning. Otherwise, you would have had that dialed in, I'm sure. So I love how you're exploring your new surroundings already. That's a great start. That's awesome. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank y'all so much. You are welcome. Getting the move on going. That's awesome. Woo! Nate, I'm Blaine, Dean of Students. Nice to meet you. And you are?
Melissa Persmal, his
Melissa,
mom.
pleasure to meet you.
The way that you guys have this all set up, like, it is like fantastic.
Well, thank you.
It's really nice the way that you have things for parents, and like, I mean, I've never seen so many people willing to help. Like, no, I mean, as a parent.
Thank you very much.
It's really fantastic. So thank you. I know. I mean, this is so impressive. Like, this is truly like just it's all hands on deck.
Well,
And it
that's
feels
where
good. It feels really, really good knowing that like we're not alone. Like, I mean,
there
like,
is
this
nothing that makes us happy. We are the Vandal family. He's leaving your family, coming into our family. And oh, by the way, you're part of the Vandal family too. So that's what it's all about.
Blaine, where are we off to next?
All right, we are off to the LLCs. We're going to help some students move in over there.
Should we go invade one of these ladder ball games for a
let's
second
do it.
too?
Let's totally do it. What's up, fellas?
What's up?
You helping out with the move-in, I see?
Yeah.
Is that what we got going on?
Helping with the vibes, you know? Helping with the good vibes. You know?
Absolutely. I got a competition for you.
Okay.
If I throw it on the ring, you've got to do 10 push-ups.
Oh, okay.
If I throw it on the ring and miss, he's got to do 10 push-ups.
Oh, solid.
Is that good?
So what happens if...
Oh, wait! Oh, wait a minute, no! Oh, let's go! That's
10.
Wait, okay.
Oh, sorry. Now he's got to do 10. That's all good.
Get me right.
Oh, I missed it.
Not get me right.
Sorry.
like that.
All right, you both got to do 10. Let's have this the Vandal way. There we go. Hey, that's awesome. Thanks, brothers. I appreciate it, man.
Shout out to the Vandals.
That's awesome. Shout out to the Vandals. Come out and watch Vandal Athletics.
Yes,
Check
sir.
out the football team. They're going to kick ass this season. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
I talk.
And what's your name?
Man. Nate.
Yo, you're Nate. You're the guy that when I talked to you, you were eating. You had 3 plates of food in front of you.
Oh, you were
That was you.
there.
You were just mowing down eating the other day.
Man,
Absolutely.
You know, I just had to. Hey, shout out to the eatery for stepping up the game. You feel me? They're making the food with love.
Eatery's doing some good stuff.
And I love, so I'll be there a lot this year. You feel me?
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get a picture together, fellas.
Yes, sir.
So LLCs are suite style where we have 4 to 6 students living in a thing. You get your own room in the suite and it opens into an outer area where we have a little living room space with a little kitchenette that you can kind of do some cooking. And it's kind of a good step from our other traditional residence hall spaces to where you can, you live in a community setting, community bathroom sometimes, and you're more interactive here. This is for students who typically are returning to the University of Idaho, and it gives them the kind of step up into an apartment style living. And so students really like it because they're still central to the campus community, really great opportunity to live here, and real easy access to the university. But they also don't have to do all their own cooking. They can go over to the eatery as well. Can we help you move in?
Yeah.
There we go. Getting her all moved in. This is awesome. Go Vandals.
Thank you guys for helping. Awesome.
There we go. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Welcome
to
to the
meet
University of Idaho. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to have a great time. So, absolutely. And go have a good lunch today. It's amazing in the eatery. You're totally going to enjoy it. Well, it's been another great day moving students into the residence halls, helping them move into their new homes here at the University of Idaho. We're really excited to have our new students on campus. We're super excited to have our returners come back as well. Vandal families, we've got your back. We know that you're anxious a little bit by having your students here now, but they're part of the Vandal family. We've got a lot of love for them and a lot of love for you. Reach out to us if we can provide any support. You can email us at deanofstudents@uidaho.edu or askjoe@uidaho.edu as well. Let us know if you have any questions. Let us know how your time went here at the University of Idaho with Move In. And in the meantime, as always, go Vandals.